In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious banana overnight oatmeal recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of oatmeal, 1 banana sliced, a quarter cup of yogurt, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. In a bowl, we're going to add the bananas and mash them. Add in the maple syrup and mix. Add in the yogurt and continue mixing. Add the milk and mix until completely combined. Add in the chia seeds and the oatmeal and mix completely. We're going to transfer our oatmeal mixture into a jar and secure with the lid. We're going to place this in the fridge overnight. Once out of the fridge, you can top your overnight oatmeal with extra bananas. Our banana overnight oatmeal is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.